Hey YouTube, how we doing today? Well, as you saw by that little thing you clicked on, I got another beard oil today. It's something a little bit different, and yeah, it's a pretty huge friggin' bottle. This company's was, I think, the second, it was either the second or the third beard oil I ever used on my, journey into manhood. So stay tuned after I roll that intro. I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about this neat little oil. Alright guys, thank you so much for staying past that intro. Now I'm really hoping the camera's not going to take another dump because it looks like it's doing something silly up there on the display screen that I can see. Now, for you first time viewers and you long time guys, do me a favor, man. Right down here, I believe it's going to be in that corner, there's going to be a little channel watermark popping out. Hover over that thing and just nail subscribe for me. Get it out the way early and you're going to feel so much better about yourself today. Now, as you saw, we are going to take a look at the Grimm Smoulder beard oil. It is a big bottle. This one's a plastic bottle with, the amber covering over the top. The one huge thing I don't like about it, that little stopper on there, which is supposed to help restrict the flow, man, it really doesn't. When I tip it over to get oil, it just shoots out like water out of a hose. So I've used a lot more than I should have since I've been using this. It just spills out and it's over the top. The one thing I don't like about this oil is it's very light, so it's almost like watery in your hands, and when I'm working it into my beard, it coats, and it coats okay, but it's like, when you hold your hands up when you're done, you have so much left over, even though you've been only using a little. That's just my only weird little drawback. Now, their website is thebladesgrimm.com. Sorry, I'm moving some notes down here. They were established in 2014, and I'll be honest with you, when I went to their website to do, my homework and find out more about the company, because like I said, I really wanted to bring this one to the channel, because it was like my second or third. My first beard oil I'm already tracking down now to go buy and bring it to the channel just so I could show you, and I'll be bringing some other ones, like my second and everything else. And speaking of the oils, man, look up there on the top of the screen. I'm going to leave a link for every single beard oil I've brought to the channel. That way you can see a whole bunch of different ones. But like I was saying, when I went to their thing, I couldn't really find anything about the company. And no offense, they had like 5 or 6 videos in the About Us section. I don't want to bump up your YouTube views just to learn about your company. Now, from what I can understand, they were born of a desire to make, how can I put this? An American-made straight razor that was incredibly high quality, very affordable, and would outlast its user. I don't know many people using straight razors nowadays. I've never used one. I've always wanted to buy a quality one. So I'll be honest with you, I'm probably going to go try to find them and look for them. But everything I could find on Amazon was in big, huge freaking kits. And no offense, I don't want shaving cream, I don't want aftershave, I don't want pre-shave, I don't want all this other stuff. I just want the damn razor. But that's just me. They make straight razors, soaps, oils, beard wash, beard conditioner. And I will be bringing their wash and conditioner to the channel. I've bought some of it. It's not too bad. Now, here's the one huge drawback. And I said this before with bush claws. I brought them to the channel. Like I said, go back and check out that video, I should say that little card that links to all the beard care products, because it's the same thing. When you go to their page to buy, there's nothing on their webpage that will let you buy anything. There's links to other sites, which made me go, if this is your product and you're selling it, why do I need to go to beard.com or amazon.com or something else.com to buy your product? Why can't I buy from your site? So I thought that was a huge, drawback for me. Now, it's got some pretty cool ingredients with, hopefully you can see that right there, with apricot oil, avocado oil, vitamin E, and what kills me is they go in fragrance. Now, they describe it on their website as a warm, toasty accord of creamy, camphoric notes and subtle hints of citrus with a masculine base. Now, I'll be honest with you. I mean, I really don't smell citrus. To me, when I'm doing this, it's a lot of vanilla. I mean, it's, you know, like when you're making those vanilla sugar cookies around Christmas time, you know how that scent kind of stays in the air? That's what this reminds me of, to be honest. It's not a bad scent. I mean, first time I applied it, my daughter was like, cookies. And she kept burying her face in my beard, just sniffing. So I'm like, I think that's a win right there, you know? Oh, if you guys are wondering, as you see right there, it is made in the USA. Now, I know you can see that little hefty price tag right there at $50 for a 3-ounce bottle. Excuse me, 8.45 fluid ounces. All right. But yeah, I didn't pay that much for this. And I'll get to that in a moment. It's not bad. I mean, I don't know. I would like to know more about the company. I really, truly would. As opposed to sifting through your YouTube videos. Now, if Amazon currently has this thing right, it's at $19.99. But speaking of that, I'm going to double check it because I'll be honest with you, that really doesn't sound right. So excuse me for 1 second as I'm pulling everything up. Yeah, that 19 just really, really doesn't sound right now. Frickin'. Come on. Alright, it's pulling up right now. Sorry about this, guys. Yeah. For the 8.45 ounce, $19.99, which averages out to $2.37 an ounce. So, yeah. So, not what you usually pay for, because I'm usually paying like $10 an ounce. But, yeah. On the Blades Grimm website, there's no pricing, no way for you to buy it, and realistically, I didn't see any reviews for this. Over on Amazon, it's rated 4.6 out of 5 stars with 25 reviews. I'll tell you, when I first started my bearding journey, this was the go-to. Seriously, it really was. I had a smaller size bottle. I think it was like a 1 ounce. It was glass, and, you know, it was a little bit harder to get in your hands so you can rub together and work into your beard. And before I forget to mention, just remember, guys, beard oil is not realistically for the beard. It's for your skin underneath, especially like the little dead area down here. It helps put vitamins and nutrients. It helps enrich your skin to help promote healthy growth. Now, with all that fun being said, I know this was a weird one. I just wanted to bring it because I use this a lot. It's got a very unique smell, very distinctive smell. It has a pretty good length of the scent. I think it was lasting between 5 and 6 hours, which isn't that bad. It wasn't, like I said before, overpowering, but still. Now, with that being said, I want to know what all you guys think. You know, your questions, comments, love, hatred, all that wonderful stuff down below. You guys know I'm going to get back with you, and you know we're going to have a great dialogue about it. I especially want to know if any of you have used Blades Grimm, what your thoughts are on it. Now, with all that fun stuff being said, if you're a first-time viewer of my channel, man, thank you so much for taking a moment of your day to watch one of my videos. I know we do things a little bit different here on the channel, and I think that leads to some of the fun. Now, if you're a long-time viewer and you haven't subscribed yet, and especially first-time viewers who haven't done it, I think it's going to be down there in that corner. It's either that corner or that corner, one of the two. I never remember which side I'm going to put it on, to be honest with you. you're going to see a big channel logo popping up. Click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've subscribed, please beat up the bell icon that's right next to it. Why? Well, that's a good question. It's going to notify you, my incredible viewer, every single time my dumbass uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of videos, two are going to be popping up either on that side of the screen or that side of the screen. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. There we go, guys. My very quick look at the Blades Grimm Smoulder beard oil. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have an incredible rest of your day.